टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का यूनिट 6 द टर्नेटर फेयर, तो इसके वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। गुजरात बोर्ड इंग्लिश फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज। सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शंस। इसमें फर्स्ट है इंडिया हैज़ अ रिच कल्चरल हेरिटेज। इफ़ यू हेड फॉर द टर्नेटर फेयर यू विल नॉट हैव फ्री फॉल इनटू म्यूजिक। आंसर है द टर्नेटर फेयर इज बेस्ड ऑन द्रौपदी's स्वयंवर। फोर्थ, ट्राइबल men and women seek the marriage partner in the Ternator fair. The dance form performed by Rabari women of Jalwad is known as Rahado. A answer है Rahado. 6. The Kolis men of Saurashtra spent over a year embroidering their umbrellas with the intention of, तो इसका बी आंसर है showing off their special skill. 7th, in the dance form ras, तो इसका बी आंसर है the dancer hold sticks and clack against those of other dancer. Next question, in the dance perform Rahado, the costume black zimi means the woman is married. Married सी आंसर है. In 9, in the dance performance Rahado unmarried women put on, इसका डी आंसर है रेड zimi. The potential husband seeking bridge are dressed in, का ए आंसर है कलरफुल धोतीस. 11, traditional attire with tiny mirror are sold at stall in the Ternator village, तो इसका सी आंसर है. Ternator fair is held for 3 days. Next, 13, the nearest airport to reach the Ternator fair is Rajkot, डी आंसर है. 14, the coolies of Saurashtra initiated the custom of, इसका सी आंसर है एम्ब्रॉयडिंग umbrellas. 15, what kind of work do we find in the embroidery work of umbrella, इसका बी आंसर है पैच वर्क. क्वेश्चन 2, रीड द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो देम. इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट कॉम्बिनेशन क्रिएट्स अ मेमोरेबल सीन एट द फेयर, इसका आंसर है द मैनी कलर्ड कॉस्ट्यूम, ग्लिटरिंग ornaments and free spirited movement of folk dance as all combine to create a memorable scene. SCNE. Second question, how do the dancer move while dancing? While dancing, the dancer moves in waves of circular movement. The move in unison on the beat of troubling of drums. Next question है what do the dancer do if they are tried? तो इसका आंसर है if the dancer are tried they chance from one group to the next group. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ के आंसर्स देख लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पेज नंबर 55. क्वेश्चंस, हाउ इज अ लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द टर्नेटर विलेज कवर्ड? फॉर आंसर है a large part of the Ternator village is covered by stall put up to sell beautiful local handicraft unavailable elsewhere. Next question, which things of local handicrafts available in the fair? Ethnic jewelry, statues of deities and traditional attire with tiny mirrors embroidered into the clothing are available in the fair. Question 3, how do people get entertainment in the fair? There are merry-go-round, photographers, stall, magic show and tattoos artists, they keep on entertaining the visitors. थर्ड पैराग्राफ के क्वेश्चंस आंसर देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डांस फॉर्म इन राहदो? तो राहदो इज अ फेमस सर्कुलर डांस फॉर्म. इन दिस dance form men and women keep on moving in a large circle. Question 2, what different indication are suggested by different races? Costumes indicate the material statues of Rabari woman if she has put on a black chemise, it means that she is married. If she is wearing a red chemise, it means that she is unmarried and probably seeking a husband. HUSBAND. Question 3. How do men advertise their bachelorhood? इसका आंसर है being elegantly dressed in colorful dhotis, artistically designed waistcoat and head clothes twisted at an angle. Men move about the fairground at Turneter with streaking umbrellas. This is how they advertise their bachelorhood. पेज नंबर 56 4 के पैराग्राफ के क्वेश्चंस देख लेते. What custom was started by the coolies of Saurashtra? The custom of embroideries umbrella was started by the coolies of Saurashtra. Question 2. Describe the embellishment of the umbrellas. The embroidered umbrellas are exquisitely elaborate in terms of embellishment. Beadworks and patchwork is done in the design from the edges all the way to the top, and for further attention, small colorful handkerchiefs are attached all round the edges. Question 3. What is the intention after embroidering umbrellas? इसका आंसर है the man spent over a year embroidering these elaborately embellished umbrellas to entice the girl with their art, clothes and headgears, and to impress them so that they can propose them for marriage. Question 3. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. First, how is very state of India a unique state? इसका आंसर है India has a rich cultural heritage. Every state has its unique in practically all aspect of life: food, clothes, art and craft, entertainment, philosophy, mannerisms and the very way of living. Question 2. How is Gujarat proud of its culture? Gujarat is proud of its culture. It has a vast variety variety of dance with its accompanying music and colorful costumes. The native of each village or town house special occasion when they burst into their dancing revelry. REVELRY, revelry. Question 3. Give reasons why the Turneter Fair is held. The Turneter Fair is held young tribal men and women seeking marriage partners and also those not interested is finding a spouse visit. If visitor and tourist from Gujarat, elsewhere in India and even abroad visit Turneter Fair. Question 4. What do different costume of Rabari men and women indicate? Rabari women's marital status is indicated by their costume. A black simi means she is married. Red simi means she has not yet married, probably seeking a husband. Rabari man seeking elegantly dressed in colorful dhotis, waistcoat and had cloth twisted at home. TWISTED. Question 5. Show the location of the Turneter Fair from the different places of Gujarat. The Turneter Fair is held 8 km from the town of Thangad is in Surendranagar district. The nearest town with road transportation to other places is Chotila, 25 km from Thangad. It is connected by ST buses from Rajkot 75 km, Jamnagar 162 km, Ahmedabad 196 km और पोरबंदर 252 km. Chotila, Thangad and Turneter are well connected by ST buses and other mode of transportation. The nearest airport is Rajkot, 75 kilometer away. क्वेश्चन 5, मैच द कॉलम. टर्नेटर फेयर इसका ई आंसर होगा. द्रौपदी स्वयंवर. रबारी वुमेन्स ऑफ अलवार इस 2 का एफ आंसर होगा. रहाड़ो. मोस्ट पॉपुलर डांस इसका ए आंसर है रास. कॉस्ट्यूम 4 का बी आंसर है. इंडिकेट मैरिटल स्टेटस. एंड 5th एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड अम्ब्रेला इसका डी आंसर है. एडवर्टाइज बैचलरहुड. पिक क्वेश्चन 5 58 पेज नंबर. ट्रू फॉल्स है. इसमें टर्नेटर फेयर इज अ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑफ द एथनिक गुजरात फोल्क डांस म्यूजिक कॉस्ट्यूम्स एंड आर्ट. इसका ट्रू आंसर है. सेकंड, विजिटर्स एंड टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम गुजरात विजिट द टर्नेटर फेयर टू फाइंड द स्पाउस. इसका ट्रू आंसर है. इन द फोल्क डांस रास डांसर होल्ड स्टिक्स एंड बीट ईच अदर. इसका फॉल्स आंसर है. वुमेन्स परफॉर्म. फोर्थ, वुमेन्स परफॉर्म राहदो इन अ सिंगल सर्कल टू द बीट्स ऑफ 4 drums at the time and to the tunes of piano. इसका false answer है. Numerous sadhus and bhajans mandalis also sing on continuously accompanied by folk instrument. इसका false. इसका true answer है. If you think to walk out your mundane experience then head for the टर्नेटर फेयर. इसका ट्रू आंसर है. डांसर चेंजेस बट द ड्रम बीट्स कंटिन्यू थ्रू आउट द डे. इसका ट्रू आंसर है. द रास इज लेस पॉपुलर देन रहादा. इसका फॉल्स आंसर है. रहादो इज परफॉर्म बाय रबारी वुमन ऑफ नियर बाय जालवाड़. इसका ट्रू आंसर है. इन दिस यूनिट ट्राइड द नोट मीन्स गॉट मैरिड. इसका ट्रू आंसर है. वर्ड पावर फर्स्ट है मैच द कॉलम ए और बी. फर्स्ट है मंडेन. इसका एच आंसर है. वेरी ऑर्डिनरी. वेरी ऑर्डिनरी. वाइल्ड इसका डी आंसर है. हैपनिंग फास्ट. एथनिक 3 का जी आंसर है. ट्रेडिशनल. कैप्टिवेटिंग 4th का बी आंसर है. एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड. स्पॉन्टेनियस 5 का ए आंसर है. हैपनिंग इन अ सडनली वे. रेलिंग्विश 6 का सी आंसर है. गिव अप. एंड एनग्रॉस्ड 7th का ई आंसर है. absorbed. Page number 59. Question 2. Replace the underlined word with the words given in the bracket below each of the following sentences. First, if you want to have a memorable experience, then head for the Turneter Fair. If you want to have a memorable experience, then proceed to the Turneter Fair. At the end of the game, spectator struck in to the pavilion. At the end of the game, spectators move forward suddenly to the pavilion. Question third point. They are by far the best student in the class. They are hardly the best student in the class. You may also see people break out into a spontaneous judo. You may also see people start in the spontaneous judo. Spontaneous judo. Many stall. Fifth, many stalls were put up in the fair. Many stalls were accepted in the fair. Question 3. Give the adverb form of the given words and use them in the sentence of your own. First, spontaneous. इसका आंसर है spontaneously. इसका सेंटेंस है the drum beat started and the dancer began to the rock spontaneously. Second, probable. Probably. She came to my place probably to enquire about the happening in my house. Third, elegant. Elegantly. People like to dress elegantly, particularly on festival. Continuous. Continuously. We walked on continuous for 7 miles to reach our destination before sunset. Attention. Attentively. If students don't study attentively, they will miss out some important point. Page number 60. Grammar. Question 1. Rewrite the following paragraph selecting the word from the bracket. तो इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है. One Sunday after lunch, I remember Bunty's bed since I had nothing special to do, I decided to go and ask him about his bike. I gave my famous thumb and index finger ring whistle under his window. On hearing it, he looked out holding keys. He came down noiselessly. The bike was wheeled out of the gate. 2 पैराग्राफ के फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है. चेस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग इंडोर गेम. इट इज नॉट मीन टू बी जस्ट एन अम्यूजमेंट बट समथिंग मोर. इट इज अ गेम ऑफ प्योर स्किल if the player is alert, patience and persevering. It is not impossible to be good at the game. The player must have a great power of concentration, so he must be able to look ahead and calculate the result of all moves. थर्ड पैराग्राफ के फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है. द डॉग इज द मोस्ट faithful of man's friend. He stand by his master in prosperity and in poverty, in health and in sickness. There are many kinds of breeds of dog. The greyhound and the foxhound are used for hunting. They have a keen sense of smell and a very swift. Bloodhounds are used by the people to track criminals. The house dog guards houses. The sheepdog looks after a flock of sheep like a shepherd. Dogs were used for carrying messages during times of war. They were used in the World War as rat killers. The Red Cross dogs were used as messenger. The St. Bernard's dog are said to have saved the lives of many travelers who lost their way in the snow of the Alps. Dogs are man's friends because of their intelligence and faithfulness. They deserve all our love and kindness. Number 61, question 2. Arrange the jumble part and make meaningful sentences. Excellent performance and student. Let me congratulate first on the teacher. इसका आंसर है let me first congratulate the teacher and students on their excellent performance. Second, very careful to a tiny month about the life we have to be from a giant dinosaur of all living creature. इसका आंसर है we have to be very careful about the life of all living creature from a giant dinosaur to a tiny moth. Next, and started with her finger. The moment I got interested in imitating, she made that play. I got interested in imitating the movement she made with her fingers and started with the play. Fourth, has damaged I to hear my am that floor bed. Sorry dog. I am sorry to hear that my dog has damaged your flower bed. Fifth, the model very went angel of the slowly around the mother. The angel went around the model of the mother very slowly. 6. Love and status with them. He decorated as symbol of ornaments and used them. इसका आंसर है he decorated ornaments and used them as symbol of love and status. Seventh, to do about his bike. Since I decided to do nothing special and ask him I had. इसका आंसर है since I had nothing special to do, I decided to go and ask him about his bike. 8. Piles of garbage as much as noise pollute fall water our environment and smoke. इसका आंसर है noise pollute our environment as much as piles of garbage fall water and smoke. Next, 9. To face situation I and difficult have task may. I may have difficult task to face the situation. Page number 62, 10th. Impressively on the beat the avenue policeman moved. इसका आंसर है the policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. Question 3. Rewrite the following paragraph filling the gaps using the proper form of the word given in the bracket. इसका first paragraph है physical punishment to the student is strictly banned in school and college. Some say that it was that it has affected AFFECTED teaching learning process. They firmly believe the good learning is never possible without good trashing. Second paragraph के filling the blanks. Our English teacher is very learned. His way of teaching is quite convincing. He behaves very politely with student. Student prefer him to other English teacher. Third paragraph filling the blanks. Gandhiji was a great leader. He loved truth and simplicity. He led freedom movement successfully. He spread the message, don't be afraid. We lovingly call him Bapu. रीडिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन. रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो. इसके पैसेज के क्वेश्चंस हम देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट, डिस्क्राइब द आईज ऑफ एन आउल. द आउल हैज बिग राउंड आईज दैट शाइन एट नाइट. द आउल नेवर विंक. पेज नंबर 63. क्वेश्चन 2, व्हाट डज द आउल सीम टू बी डूइंग व्हेन इट सिट्स in one place for a long time. इसका आंसर है when the owl sits in one place for a long time without winking, it seems as if it is thinking very deeply about something important. Question 3, why do people in the West think that the owl is a wise bird? तो इसका आंसर है people in the West think that the owl is a wise bird because of its solemn luck. Question 4, what does the owl do during the day? During the day, owls sleep in the same dark caves or the hollow of a tree. Picture reading. Study the picture carefully and write about 8 sentences on it. इसका आंसर है This is a picture of fair. Elders are interested in other things but children are always interested in toys. Here we say a toy seller under a tree, probably a brother and sister bargaining with the toy seller for a toy bus. At a distance we see a huge giant wheel with people enjoying its ride. We can also see people moving about going from one stall to another. We can also see 2 loudspeakers fixed on a tall pole. Page number 64, writing. Question 1, read the following telephonic conversation and prepare a message in about 30 words for your brother. तो इसका आंसर्स हम देख लेते हैं. Mr. Patel wanted to talk with Nishant, but since he had gone to market, he had to leave message. Mr. Patel, the class teacher of Nishant, wanted to convey the message that there would be a music competition in the school next week and Nishant was supposed to participate in the competition. He also told that the last day of the registration was the next day. Question 2, you have found a wallet from the school compound. While going to return, principal asks you to prepare a notice for the school notice board. In this regard, draft a notice for the same. तो इसमें फर्स्ट यहाँ पे लिखना है July 12, 2014. Notice found. A brown color wallet has been found from the school compound this morning. It contained some money and a few documents. The owner of the wallet should contact the school office between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Please bring along some identification proof along with you. Sudhir Nanavati, Vice Principal. Question 3, write a letter to your friends describing the dog show you visited. इसका आंसर है पेज नंबर 65. My dear friend, hope you are doing well. I am writing this letter to inform you about the dog show I visited. The reason why I am sharing this with you is that you are fond of such show and also because of your interest in dog. It was a really nice show with amazing dogs out there. There were different segments in each. The owner of dogs also participated. There was the dog race, choosing the correct color, and really wish I could go to this show with you, not as an audience. All the information about the next show and I want you to bring your dog and we both will go together in this show. Thank you, योर सिंसियरली योर नेम. Additional activity, how a student spent his time is shown in this pie chart. Write about 8 sentences based on it. तो इसका आंसर है, this pie chart shows that a student passes almost 60% of his time in sleep and 45% of his time in school. So most of his time is used up this way. In the rest of the time he plays for 2 hours, studies for 2 hours and spent 1 hour in the bathing. He spent 1 hour in dressing up and flits out for 1 hour almost every day. He takes 1 hour in eating. This is how he spent his day. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये यूनिट 6 यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.